What is a better way to have a fresh start than owning your new house? A newlywed couple entrusted us with their first home. The unit is divided into three parts: the kitchen, the living and dining, and the bedroom. In terms of design, the couple wants a fresh look and refrain from wood grain finish and dark hues. Essentially, the couple wants a simple and easy maintenance to start their married life. We retained the existing vinyl flooring and ceiling. For the kitchen area, we transferred the kitchen sink to the washing machine area. Overall, we maintained the finishes of the existing kitchen. We added similar countertop tiles, finished the cabinets with enamel paint, and added the same cabinet handles. All hinges are replaced with hydraulic soft close type. The toilet is imported from Japan. We left this area untouched to keep the warranty, and so far it's good. We only provided an LED light. Now there's an idle space or niche between the door and the toilet wall, so we turned it into shoe shelves. It is convenient since it is near the entryway. The main door is originally in wood stain finish, so we painted it with lacquer. Oh, don't forget the peephole to check the visitors outside. Dining area. Who doesn't want comfy and chic Scandinavian table and chairs? And oh, we adored it with an immortal plant, oregano. For the living area, a ready-made console fits the wall. The TV rack is placed based on the distance of the sofa. The client will use it as a monitor too. And finally, the bedroom, the place of comfort. The couple wanted to feel like they are in a hotel room. Right under the air conditioner unit, we put eucalyptus leaves and scented candles so the scent can fill the room. The headboard is clad with wallpaper and strip light. Vibrant colors, textured walls, and sheer curtains complement the industrial skyline at the window. The closet serves as a partition and gives privacy to the bedroom. Two built-in cabinets sandwich a ready-made closet to provide strength. And oh, there's our online shopping haul, clothes basket. We We provided track lights so the couple can also adjust the angle just in case you will buy a painting or decoration in the future that they wish to accentuate. And that's it. Hope you like our design and see you in our next one.